Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. I'm going to show you how you can find and use reference images on Vermillion VR painting. You're going to want to make sure you're on the browser in the settings menu. Then there's that little folder button. This is where you can have local files. I am going to show you how you can add pictures to that, but you can also go to the search button there and just search on the internet as well. And you can search for maybe like a Google Drive and do that as well. You can use online copyright-free libraries like Pixabay or Pexels and just use the browser with the image, or you can download them as well. On the Steam and the Quest Link version, there's also a button where you can have a copied link that you've copied on your computer and paste it into here. I've done that for my Google Drive before as well. Once you find, if you're using Google Drive, for example, you can hit that star button in the top right and have it bookmarked so you can always easily access it, so you don't actually have to necessarily put the photos into that folder if you don't want to. Just another option here. While I have you here, I just want to remind you that you can find all of my tutorials built right into Vermillion here. Thanks to Thomas, the developer, for putting them there. You can find them on the YouTube there, or if you go to the top right and go to Paint Along, you're going to see Paint Along with Brian Sloan. You can click on that. It's going to take you to this, and if you scroll down, it's going to show you my whole playlist there. It always defaults to the first video when you click on that, but you can find them all here. So if you're using the Quest 3 Standalone and you have a Windows computer, here's what you need to do. You need to plug it into your Windows computer, click on the internal storage, go over to download, and you're going to see a Vermillion reference images there. You can click and drop any images in there and they will show up on that folder that I showed you earlier so that you can access those images. If you're using Standalone but you have a Mac, you're going to need to use something like Android File Transfer or something similar. Plug it in. Once it shows up here, similar to the Windows, go to download. You'll see Vermillion reference images. Click on that and drag any images into there, and again, they will show up in the game for you to use. If you're using the Steam or Quest Link version, just go to your local disk, go to Users, and go to the user that is using it, and click on Pictures. It's probably on the left-hand side for you there too, but you're going to see a folder that says Vermillion reference images. Click and drag any into there that you want, and you can also see here there is a folder called Vermillion Paintings, and that's where any exports are also going to go. And lastly, if you're following one of my tutorials right in the game, if you scroll down in the description, you're going to find a link to the Google Drive where you can access all these photos. So that is another quick way that you can get to these reference images. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you put these reference images to use. We'll see you next time here, right in the studio.